I'm Colleen with Branches and Blossoms Travel, where we specialize in helping families create unforgettable travel experiences. Congratulations, you just booked your next trip. And I am just as excited about your trip as you are. Today, let's tackle some things that are often overlooked but can make the difference between a smooth trip and lots of worries. Here's your list of 6 things to do right after you book. Number 1, check your travel documentation. Is your passport good for at least 6 months after the date of your return? If not, it's time to renew that passport. Also, did you know it is now required if you're traveling to the UK that you have a visa? Even if you're having a layover in Heathrow, you have to have a visa for the UK. Number 2, vaccinations. Do you need any vaccinations for your trip? Some vaccines require multiple shots to be effective and must be started 6 months prior to your date of departure. Number 3, assess your luggage. Is there anything that is broken? How do you plan to travel? Is it light enough that you can carry it on your back? Many roller bags don't work great in Europe because of the cobblestones. Number 4, packing prep. Start a packing list and make note of any clothes or accessories that you may need to purchase before your trip. Number 5, set a budget. Outline your trip expenses and make sure that you have an emergency fund available. Number 6, review your itinerary. Confirm details, reservations, and timelines. Get these things done now and you'll be all set for smooth sailing or flying. Drop a suitcase in the comments if you're going to Europe this year.